Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes Microsoft Edge. This page is having a problem fix. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand policies. Click and expand Microsoft. Click and expand Edge. Right-click New, DWORD 32-bit value. Type renderer, code, integrity, enabled. R, C, I and E are capital letters. Change value data to 0. Close and exit registry editor. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.